Hello everyone and welcome to the first episode of Pizza Rat Pulls. Today we are going to be opening some Topps 2020 and 2019 baseball cards. Hoping to hit some rare gems in this lot. Hoping to pay off some college loans if we hit it big. Today we have A. Lewis with us in the studio. And of course, myself.
Pizza Rat Pulls.
The Pizza Rat. And so we're going to begin by opening up the 2020 Series 1 cards, which are hobby cards. So we're hoping to get ourselves a nice rookie Wander Franco or something like that.
No, that's the wrong one.
Oh.
This
All right,
is all
so-
I'm talking about.
Without further ado, Adam, would you like to start opening your first pack?
I'll start.
Cross your fingers, and we're hoping for some good cards. So
Alright,
now you have to stack them on
Yeah,
the
do
table
it
and reveal them
close.
one at a time.
so we got Future Stars, Ramon Laureano from
Yes.
Oakland.
We're not reading every step.
So there's some of his stuff. Future Star, that could be worth something.
He's got a
We
future
got
star.
Cole Calhoun, who I'm pretty sure is switched teams.
So they're not
Actually,
letting
the Angels might have signed him. I
Getting hot
forget
in
now.
here.
We got Jesus Luzardo. I don't think this. Oh, this might be a rookie card. It says, it says RC right here. That
Yep,
might be.
that is definitely the rookie card. Oh, this could
So,
be a good one for you, Adam.
So
Jesus Luzardo, starting pitcher, is going
That
to
clearly
crack
says
the
Jesus.
Oakland A's rotation this year.
Patrick Corbin. So we got Patrick Corbin.
base card.
Pretty good space card.
Bad.
We got Jesus Aguilar on his new Tampa Bay Rays team. So got a good one there. Jose
good
Alfaro.
card.
This guy is on my fantasy team, so that's a good one for me to have. We got Alfaro. Liam Hendricks, reliever from the A's, formerly of the Blue Jays, Royals, Twins. We got Johnny Cueto.
Oh, Johnny Cueto having a comeback season this year.
So we got a nice Cueto card here from the Reds. We got Cleveland Indians team card.
Oh, that's cool.
So this might be something cool to have. Now we got A's. We got a lot of A's. in
Seems like
this
they have
one.
the whole Oakland A's card lot in this one pack.
A's.
Oakland A's key card.
Robbie Grossman. So another A's. Good defensive player. 1980s decades best batters. Ryan Sandberg. Maybe that's something cool.
Yeah.
Decades best.
There we go.
We got another rookie card here. We
Uh-oh.
got Adbert Izole. Is that how you say
From the
it?
Chicago Cubs.
From
Al
the
Zole.
Cubs.
Al
So-
Zole. Yeah.
So we got we got two rookie cards in here. This Lazaro one could end up being something good. And last but not least, we got Yuli Gurriel
That
from
guy's a baseball
the trash banging Astros.
player? Wow.
So
Rude.
Yuli Gurriel.
All right.
So if we want to do a recap, we got
Full
Gurriel,
recap.
Zole, 80s card, a lot of A's. Here we got A's, Grossman, Indians, Cueto, Hendricks, Alfaro, Aguilar, Corbin, Luzardo,
I think I'd hold on to the Luzardo
Calhoun.
card. Luzardo card could be
There.
worth something someday. We'll get you a card holder for that.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna try pack number 2. We're gonna see if we hit any big bucks in this pack. You never know. So the first card is Carlos Santana from the Cleveland Indians. And Jordan. Ooh, we have a Jordan Alvarez rookie card.
Oh yeah, that's a good player too.
We could have a hit on this one, perhaps. That could be a good one. Clayton Kershaw. Obviously, a good pitcher. On a good team this year. Probably going to go to the World Series.
All that.
I wonder why some of the cards are upside down though.
What do you mean upside down?
They came in upside down.
I don't know.
Chance Cisco from the hapless Baltimore Oriole team. Nick Solak, rookie card from Texas Rangers. Don't know much about Nick Solak. Adam, do you know anything about Nick Solak?
Not much. I think he's an outfielder power guy, but I don't know if his stats say anything. 27 home runs in the minors last year, so.
Next card is a Jay Bruce. Another rookie card, Robel Garcia, which looks, is that the same one you got in the other pack?
No, I got a pitcher.
All right. Well, we've got another Cub rookie. We got a Kurt Suzuki action card. Probably not worth any money, but nice looking action card. Oh, and we have the Los Angeles Dodgers potential World Series champion team card. Christian Yelich for the Brewers. And Travis Demert. Never even heard of him.
It's a rookie card.
It's a rookie card, though, so maybe we will hear of him someday. The ageless wonder, Jake Arrieta, who's amazing, he's still in the league. Franmil Reyes. I'm thinking of picking him up on my fantasy team, so I better hold on to him. And apparently, my whole fantasy team was in this pack because David Dahl is also in this pack. So,
It's all dead.
also probably not worth anything, but now we're going to move on to the Topps 2019 series cards, which were on clearance at Walmart. So you never know what you might hit in this pack.
Yeah, Walmart.
So we're going to open these up and we're going to see what we got in here. Maybe we'll hit something, but maybe not. It's impossible to get the cards out of the box. We will do it. Apparently they're worried about theft, so there's a big thing on
Worried
the
about
outside of the...
Who's gonna try to shop with the clearance baseball cards from
No,
Walmart?
I think there are people who would.
God.
Adam, we're gonna let you take that
All
side of
right.
the stack.
Oh God, there's a lot here.
All right, Adam, go
All right,
ahead.
yeah.
Am I going first?
Yep.
All
Go
right.
ahead. Let's see what we got in this pack.
Right off the bat, we got Ernie. Here, I'll do it like this.
Oh, okay.
So right off the bat, we got Ernie Banks. Great seasons. Could be something good. Ronald Acuna. Looks like it's a Homer card. So this is some kind of like
Special
different
card.
than just a special thing.
Another
National
Ronald.
League Rookie of the Month, Ronald Acuna. So that could be something cool. Wade Boggs, Red Sox. That's actually pretty cool.
What the heck is that?
How old is he?
What year is that card?
It's
that
2000.
That's
got a
some kind of
mustache.
is that a re-release or what is that?
This looks like it's his 35th anniversary. So
Oh.
it must be some
Kind
kind
of
of
cool.
So it's like they reprinted a card from like 25, 30 years ago.
Joey Wendell. So Salvador Perez, the catcher from the Royals, probably their only good pitcher or player. Sorry, David Price.
David
here's someone
Price,
near and
hey.
dear to
World
your heart.
Series card. So I like David Price. Too bad he got traded to the Dodgers in a salary dump. But David Price,
Adam's right.
Max Scherzer, league leader. So that might be something cool to have.
Oh,
Des Gurriel
a
Jr.
future star. Uh-oh, this could be
Future
something.
star.
Might have a hot one here.
Danny Duffy. Kyle Barraclough. He's probably the only good reliever on the Marlins. Kirby Yates.
Kirby.
It's a good closer there for the
I like
Padres.
Kirby.
League leading Chris Davis, which must be for his home runs. Yep, home runs. 48. Chris Iannetta, who has since retired from baseball.
Oh
But we
man.
got the
Yeah, it was
pitcher.
last year's card, so someone liked them last year.
Adam Eden.
Oh, that's
good
your name.
player. Felipe Vasquez, the reliever from the Pirates. Brandon Crawford.
Nice action card there.
It's a good action card there. From the Giants. Another one upside down.
I don't know why they're upside down.
Carlos Martinez. Starter turn, closer turn, reliever / no one knows what he's doing this year. Edwin Diaz. He's a closer from the Mariners who was traded to the Mets, I believe.
He is. He is the Mets closer.
Jake Odorizzi, nice number 3 starter for the Twins. Jack Flaherty, another nice number 3 starter. Brad Peacock, who I believe is traded. I'm not sure if he's still with the Astros. He might have been part of that.
If he's lucky, he's not with the Astros because they're in their cheating scandal.
Oh my god.
Orlando Arcia. Nice little shortstop. Sonny Gray.
Oh, here we
Yankee
go.
card. This might
In
be
a
one-
Yankees uniform, nonetheless. Yankees
That might be one that
Yankees probably want
you
to burn
wanna
that remembrance of him, that he was on their team.
Jose Urena. It's an interesting picture. Have that up in case we want that. Ryan Zimmerman, the World Series star. Another good one here. We got Justin Verlander. Elvis Andrus. So has his ups and downs, but good shortstop. Joe Jimenez turned closer for the hapless Tigers. Jose Martinez, who I believe has been traded to the Rays. Didi Gregorius.
That's
another
Sir
Yankee.
Didi Gregorius, for you people out there.
To you.
He's actually a knight in Aruba.
Oh, what?
So we got another Johnny Cueto. So we got two different Cueto cards.
Interesting.
Christian Villanueva, who I believe he's a utility player. To check him up on that one. And Dan Straley, who I believe has been cut. He was cut even before opening day last year, so it's kind of cool that
He somehow made it. Made it to the cards.
we put that one.
All right.
I'll get the Didi Gregorius one.
Carlos Rodon for the Chicago White Sox. Trevor Bauer, very good pitcher. Although no longer is he on the?
I think he was traded to the Rangers.
Yeah, I think he's gone. But good pitcher. Another. Oh, there's my shortstop, Francisco Lindor from my fantasy team.
Bauer was traded to the Reds.
Oh, the
It's
Reds.
Kluber that was
Okay.
traded to the Rangers.
Steven Duger, rookie card.
Oh, that might be a good one.
We'll see if he turns into anything. Now, here's an interesting one. Another rookie card. Tuki Toussaint from the Braves. Yeah, might be worth holding on to. Oh, and speaking of the devil, Adam,
Corey Kluber.
Corey Kluber shows up at the very next card just after you mentioned that he was traded. And here he is, Corey Kluber. This looks like my whole fantasy team.
Yeah.
Eugenio Suarez, another
Our-
guy on the injured reserve, but he's
favorite
hopefully coming
player.
back at some point. Yolmer Sanchez. I don't really know him. Jose Quintana from the Cubs.
I
Starting
believe he
pitcher.
signed with another team this offseason.
Tyler Flowers. Braves. Blake Parker.
He's a good reliever.
Wolfgang Amadeus Cozart. Taiwan Walker. Guy I had on my fantasy team 2 years ago. Never panned out for me.
Oh, is this what I think it is here? Rookie card for Cunha?
That is annoying.
I don't know if it says rookie card on it. Yeah. I don't see ours.
Topps All-Star rookie.
Flip it
So
over.
it's not his rookie card.
No,
I don't think
no,
this is
better
a
hold on
rookie
to that
card.
one. It could be potentially something.
It's All-Star rookie.
Oh.
I don't know if that means anything.
We'll check it out
Look
on the Beckett card thing or something. We'll see. Ben Zobrist. I didn't even know he was still playing. There we go. Ronaldo Lopez. Cody Allen. Jorge Soler. Uh-oh, here's a card for you, Adam.
Hey,
Boston Red Sox, Fenway Park
that's a good one.
Memorial card. Steve Pierce, another card for you, Adam.
Who has retired?
Dansby Swanson. Nothing but disappointment on my fantasy team, so I cut him after half a year. Here's a solid power hitter, Jose Abreu. Good for 30 to 40 homers a year. Eddie Rosario. Interesting looking card. Marcus Stroman, no longer with the Blue Jays, however, but probably a pretty decent pitcher. Future star, Joey Lucchesi.
That's
Cheesy.
the pitcher the Red Sox wanted in that potential Mookie Betts deal with the Padres.
Philadelphia Phillies, Citizens Park card. Christian Yelich, another one.
We got 2 Yelicks.
Only 2 of those. Another guy on my fantasy team, Nick Castellanos.
It's Castellanos. The
Another
L's are not- the L's
ex-Yankee,
are not
Francisco Cervelli.
I like him.
Have a good action shot for him. Albert Amora. And another person who benefited from the trash can, Carlos Correa.
Oh my God.
What is this? This looks like... Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh, and
Here's something for you,
Hey.
Adam.
Mookie
Oh,
Betts.
have a-
don't drop it. Oh,
We have a Mookie Betts card for Adam.
hold it up to the camera.
And we have a Cesar Hernandez anniversary
We
card.
gotta get the last one.
Sorry.
Cesar Hernandez anniversary card. I think we're more interested in potentially the Mookie Betts card. but-
That might be a good one.
All right, so that is our wrap up today on the Pizza Rat polls. A couple of interesting ones in there. I'm thinking the Jesus Luzardo might, and maybe one of the Robert Acunas might be worth something someday. So we'll put those aside and put them in our.
These might be the best cards, I think, out of all of them. Some of these rookie ones.
We'll hold on to those rookie cards and we'll see if they become stars. If they do, we'll pay off Cat's student loan. So tune in next time for another episode of Pizza Rat Polls and maybe we'll strike it rich. Over and out.